Samsung's Galaxy S23 series is still at least 3 months away, but we know quite a bit about these devices already. That includes a full spec leak of the Galaxy S23 and a lot more things about the S23 Ultra. If you want to check out those videos, then I will definitely link down below those videos. But leaker Ice Universe has actually posted images of cases designed for those models. That actually shows quite a lot of things. Now, leaked CAD renders already suggested that the S23 Ultra will look almost the same as the S22 Ultra, except the camera cutouts will be a little bit bigger, because it will also have a bigger 200 megapixel sensor. Whereas the standard S23 and S23 Plus will actually ditch the camera island in favor of water drop camera cutout, just like the S22 Ultra. And all of these phones will have a slight bit of dimension changes. And that doesn't include the thickness though, but the phones are going to be a slightly wider and taller than the current models. But that's not the thing. This year the S23 and S23 Plus are also getting slightly larger batteries, by about few hundred mAh batteries or so. But at the same time, these devices are getting a massive boost in the form of a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip. Now that's where another leak comes in. Now the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor will be a little too different of a processor, because the configuration of the CPU is gonna be a little too different. There will be one prime core as Cortex X3 core that will provide about 25% performance boost over the X1 core of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 models, as well as 2 Cortex A715 cores, 2 Cortex A710 cores. Yes, these are going to be the performance cores, and 3 power efficiency cores in the form of Cortex A510 cores, clocked at 2.02 GHz maximum. So if you look at these things, then it might make you a little confused, but here's the thing. All these things will actually allow the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor to perform the best at all given times, as much power efficiency possible out of this chip. The scores are like this. Now for reference, the 8 Gen 1 powered S22 gets a tad above 1200 points in single core test and about 3200 points in multi-core test. So in that scenario, yeah, it's a big upgrade. But then again, people will compare it with the Apple's A14, A15, A16. But then again, keep this in mind, these two are totally different platforms, so direct comparison won't really make sense. No way. Okay, you probably want this, or you probably want that, or you probably want this one, or you probably want all of them. Definitely you have a good choice. All of them are in 8K and you can find them in my website, jointheavid.com, link down below. So definitely visit it. Until the next one, bye and take care.